Vice President of Zimbabwe Constantino Chiwenga departed the country last week for a consultation with his Chinese medical team, as confirmed by the president. Chiwenga's most recent public appearance was on May 11, when he and President Emmerson Mnangagwa attended the 25th anniversary celebration of the ordination of Roman Catholic Archbishop Robert Ndlovu in Harare. In response to inquiries about the vice president's absence from three events attended by President Mnangagwa last week, Presidency spokesperson George Charamba tersely stated that he went out for his medicals. The 60-year-old underwent significant surgery in China in 2019 to address a condition that caused narrowing or constriction of his esophagus. This marks Chiwenga's second confirmed visit to his medical team in China within the past 5 months. During his annual leave in January, Chiwenga traveled to China for what a presidency spokesman described as a routine medical check-up with his physicians. Chiwenga is widely regarded as the potential successor to Zimbabwe's president as Mnangagwa completes his second and final term, which concludes in 2028.